Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add API key in WordPress. Now we're going to use the mini orange website because in my opinion it's the easiest one to understand. But before you do that, you got to make sure that you have WordPress and WooCommerce as premium. This as a trial will not work, unfortunately, hence I cannot show you on the actual page. But to start off, you will need to log in into your WordPress as an admin of the website. Okay, so don't log in as your normal user, make sure you log in as an admin. Then you're going to see your dashboard with lots of plugins. So you probably have your Shopify plugins or your read and write plugins, whatever. But make sure you download this icon, the REST API authentication. This is going to activate for you. You're going to install it. Then what's going to happen is you're going to go into the API authentication here, and then you're going to save the configuration, and that is your API key for your website. So you can generate a new key, which means you're going to add that new key into your mini orange. So for example, their mini orange website is going to be onto their website. As you can see, it is premium, so you will need the full premium for the website in order to configure it and also add an API key into WordPress. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.